It has been discovered that most of the infections we have these days come through our hand. And that's why today the world has stipulated today to be called the World Hand Hygiene Day. What's the essence of hand hygiene? The essence of hand hygiene is to keep our body clean and also to prevent some infections that could come from the hand from attacking us. This infection could also attack children and also the adults. So it's not related, it's not just meant for an age group. It attacks both children and it also attacks adults. How do we get infection from the hand? You get infection from the hand as you eat. You get infection from the hand as you put your finger in the mouth. You get infections from the hand as you put your hand on a dry surface and also on a wet surface. It gets touched to your body. Once you touch it to your body, organisms that are attached to that surface is also manifest in your body. Today is World Hand Hygiene Day, and today we are looking at the theme. It might be glove. It is always hand hygiene. Now, what is the essence of hand hygiene? It's just to prevent us from numerous infections that could come from the hand. So how do we observe hand hygiene? There are series steps we need to observe in order to get good hand hygiene being done. 1, you need to wash your hand. 2, you need to sanitize your hand. 3, you need to cut your fingernails. 4, you need to stop putting your fingers in your mouth. As much as you can, guide your children, guide your babies to stop putting their fingers in their mouth also. Now, example, if you want to wash your hand, you wash your hand. One health standard is that you wash your hand under a running water. You come to a tap, you collect your soap, then you rub it very well. Subsequently, I'm going to teach you hand washing. Today is not hand washing day, but I'm just putting this because it's part of hand hygiene. This is the way you wash your hand. You collect your soap, you rub it, you come this way, you come this way, you screw this way, you come to the back, then you also wash like this. Then you rinse under a running tap. Then you sanitize as much as you can. You make sure you have your hand sanitizer close to you. As much as you can, sanitize your hand. Then, whenever you go to toilet, please try to wash your hand after using the toilet. And before you eat your food, also try to wash your hand after eating and before eating. The same thing is applicable with your children. When they come back from school, make sure you advise them to wash their hands. This thing will help us reduce some infections that are ongoing. Most times you discover that your children's mouth has swollen, you discover that some things are growing in their mouth, some things are growing on their lips or on their tongues. Some of these things came through the finger. Now, even among the health workers, it has been discovered that about 2% to 50% of most of the hand infections come through the health workers because most times they don't really observe the hospital techniques in hand hygiene. This is an awareness creation. I welcome you to 2025 Hand Hygiene Day. Congratulations, let's celebrate a better day by keeping our hands clean.